In a world where knowledge can be gathered quite easily, it is nevertheless of utmost importance to have a trustable source of knowledge. In a world where you are confronted by a mass of information, it is essential that someone selects the important pieces for you. ECTRIMs has been this reliable source of information during the last decades. In a world where everything is moving so quickly and where so much great work is done by so many people, it is really important to have someone who can connect you with the right people at the right time, to help you move forward or to enable you to support others.
Dear friends, dear colleagues, let me extend a warm welcome to our next ECTRIMs meeting. ECTRIMs, the place where clinicians, scientists and MS representatives meet together. ECTRIMs is the biggest congress in MS, the leader in the field. All that happens in MS is present at ECTRIMs, and all that can change the life of our patients will happen at ECTRIMs. Don't miss it.